Those were good days. We would live in prosperity. Our castle was safe, and we were not afraid of any danger. Until the demons found a way to come into our world. The Demon King was merciless. His army is strong and invincible. Hero, you are the only one who can fight him. You are our last hope and our last chance. Rebuild our castle. Defeat the Demon King. Hero, save us. Save our world.